Good evening everyone, myself Santosh Yadav. Right now I am at Vasant Kunj site. This is 50 KLD site. Installation is underground. So we are here. The purpose of visit is to check the sludge accumulation level inside this STP, and along with that to give the training of my maintenance team. So we have two sludge checker right now. One is from given by Japan team from Japan. This is red one you can see, and this we have locally fabricated in India. This is blue one we have fabricated in India. So now let's check the efficiency and the working condition of both these sludge checker. So let's one by one we have to check it. So this is Japan make sludge checker. So we are going to test the sludge accumulation label inside this anaerobic chamber. This is 50 KLD STP. So as per the sludge accumulation standard table, the sludge accumulation should be 450 mm minimum. So now let's check what is the present condition over here. So now we are putting this sludge checker inside this anaerobic chamber slowly. The valve is in open condition, you can see over here. Just slowly we are going it down. Slowly touch it to the bottom. Once it gets touched the bottom, you can see finally is touched the bottom, and now we have to close the valve. This red valve we need to close it, and now lift it up slowly, move up. So you can see here the accumulation level of the sludge is 450 mm here. So now again we are checking the sludge accumulation level through this Indian make blue one sludge checker. So we are going to the same process, putting the sludge checker inside this anaerobic chamber slowly till the bottom. Yes, now close the blue one valve. Lift it up slowly. Here we can see that water is not holding, the sludge is not holding inside this tube. So there might be some problem, maybe in the air leakage, or maybe the problem in this valve. So we will check it and rectify the issue, and then recheck again both the sludge checkers. Thank you. So we have checked both the working of both the sludge checkers, Indian make and the Japan make. So one small minor issues maybe in the Indian make we have observed right now. So let's repair it and get it rectified as soon as possible, and we will check it again at the same site or some other site in the coming future, in the coming week. And hopefully the team which is available here, Siddharth San, Piyush San, both are here. So they are also understand how to check the sludge accumulation label inside the STP. That's all. Thank you very much.